Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe because in this channel we discuss everything about importation and how you can get started with importation and how you can make an earning for you in importation guys. So importation has a lot of field guys, so there are a lot of ways you can make money with importation guys. Even if you don't have any money guys, you can still make money. It doesn't like you don't necessarily need to have a capital before you make money with importation skills guys. So I'll be teaching you everything. So and for the OGs, welcome back. This is another educative video guys. So make sure you like and subscribe because if you like and subscribe, it will push this video out to more people so that we can educate them about importation and show you that it is not rocket science guys. So anybody can do it, everybody can do it guys. So I can do it, you can do it, he can do it, she can do it, everybody can do it guys. So that is it guys. So in this video we are going to be discussing about Skyjet guys. Don't forget, in my previous video I told you the two best shipping company guys. So now we'll be discussing one of the best shipping company guys, which is Skyjet guys. So make sure you like and subscribe like I said guys. So now let's get started. So guys, welcome back. So now let's get started. Okay, so now the first step is you go to your Google Chrome guys. So here at the Google Chrome, just type Skyjet guys. Skyjet. Don't let me just let me cancel all this part. You know I've been using them guys, so everything is ready for me. So just type on Skyjet guys. You see this first page, skyjet.ltd guys. That is Skyjet's website. So then click on it. So after you click on it guys, you will come to this section here. Let me just adjust this thing. So you come to this section here, user center guys, user center. So now since we have clicked on user center guys, one thing I love about Skyjet is that Skyjet usually update us like whenever there is any news or something guys. As you can see, this dashboard is update us. As you can see, oh, before I say this, let me say something guys. It's because I have an account. If I don't have an account, it will bring I should create an account. Then you just create an account. It's that easy, guys. It's because I have an account. That's why it's logged me in immediately, guys. So now let me log out so I can log in. So guys, so now I've logged out now. So now let's log in. As you can see, if you don't have an account, you will click on this page right here. So you will click on this place, no account, register now. So now let's click on it. So in this part guys, you will fill in your phone number right here. You can see standard format is 080. So you will fill in your phone number right here. This one, email address guys, you fill in your email address, your password here, then you enter your password again, then the username you want to be called guys. So Skyjet has a way of telling like for them to recognize your goods guys, there's always a username. For example, now like me now, I'm being named Pavel Trades on Skyjet, so that's my username. So my username is Pavel Trade. So that's how it is guys. So you have a username guys. So after that you will click on register now. So it is that easy. It is self-taught guys. So now let me go back and log in now. So as you can see, I have multiple accounts, so I want to log in this. So let me log in. So now after you log in successfully, then view my personal information guys. So one thing I love so much about Skyjet is that Skyjet usually update you when there is news and when there is increment in price, when they change their fee and everything. So that is one of the reasons I love Skyjet guys. So now as you can see here, holiday notice, the Labor Day in China will start from May 1st to May 5th. Our warehouse with part of workers on duty will open as usual to receive package and deliver shipment from May 1st to May 4th. The shipping process will be slowed down due to the shortened in holiday. Tina and Grace, which is their customer support guys. So they have two main customer supports and they are called Tina and Grace guys. So Grace based in Lagos, Nigeria, and Tina is in China guys. So if you have anything about China stuff like your goods in China, you want to ask something, you ask Tina. If it's anything about Grace, if it's anything about Nigeria here, you ask Grace guys. So that's how it is. So with offline on May 1st and Tina will be offline on 2nd and Grace on the 3rd. We will fully resume work on May 5th guys. So kindly be noted. As you can see, so they do update something on this dashboard. As you can see, April 30th. So as you can see here, dear hold new dollar rate 16.51. So this is their latest dollar rate guys. So they have been using this dollar rate since 30th of April till now. So this is their latest dollar rate. If there is a change in this dollar rate guys, so it will be above this holiday notice guys. So that's how it is. As you can see, so this was the previous one. This was 1951. So but this is the latest one, 1651 guys. So that's one thing I love about Skyjet guys. They do update you guys. As you can see, this is 1700 guys. So and one thing is that you see this plate, this is their price, like this is their price list guys. So everything about their price and all, air air cargo and sea cargo, like their freight, the price. As you can see, normal goods, how much they charge and everything. So this is how it is about Skyjet guys. So if you have any question guys, so just drop it in the comment section, then I'll put you through. So now that's how it is guys. So the next thing is that how do you find your address guys? So to find your address, you will come to this part guys. As you can see, China warehouse address, China warehouse address, then you will click on it. So when you click on it, you will see an address. So very good. As you can see, there is air cargo warehouse and there is sea cargo warehouse. So one of the things I also love about Skyjet is that, like, when you copy your address guys and you input it on your 1688 guys, so when you ship to that address, like, they will automatically know that that goods is for you. How did they know? So when you create an account, Skyjet usually allocates like a member code for you, like a member number. So this is my own member number guys. So this is my member number and this is my username. So you can see, so any goods I buy from China will always have this thing as his name. Understand? For example, now let's say you buy from Jumia now. So your name is Okunu Said. So on your Jumia parcel you should bring Okuno Said, right? So as 1688. So when you buy on 1688, it will bring Pavel Shade and my tracking and my member number, guys. So that's how it is. So if you want to ship through sea, you will copy the sea address. If you want to ship through air, you will copy the air cargo address. So it is that easy, guys. That's easy. So after you input your address and all, and then you have shipped to your address guys, so when your goods get to their warehouse, so your goods will be updated here, apply to pack. You'll be seeing instead of 0 it will bring 1. You understand? But right now I don't have any goods I'm expecting. As you can see, shipment exported, I've exported 12 goods that I'm still waiting for to arrive at their warehouse here in Nigeria guys. So like I said, I do procurement, so these are customers orders and all. So as you can see, so if you order from China guys, so and they have shipped to your address, let's say the goods have get to your warehouse, you can see this place that brings 0, it will bring 1. If it is 2 order, it will bring 2. If it is 3, it will bring 3. If it is 4, it will bring 4. You understand? It will be updating like that. So after it has updated, then you will apply to pack. So there is no way I can apply to pack now because I don't have any goods I'm expecting guys. I don't have any goods at the warehouse. So as you can see, 0 piece. So I don't have any goods. If I have any goods now, I'll just select it right here, down here. You can see select all. So I will select all. Then I will apply to pack. Understand? It is that easy, simple. So after I've applied to pack, then it will be on under packing here. As you can see, this place, this place, the goods will be on under packing here, and when the goods is shipped, like when the goods is shipped out of China, it will be on shipment exported, guys. So it is that easy to understand, guys. So it is easy to understand. So guys, so if you have any questions so far about Skyjet, how to navigate the app, guys, drop a comment section below and I will gladly help you out, guys. So now that will be all for today, guys. So if you have any question, like I said, drop it in the comment section and I will see you next time.